Hi, good afternoon dear students. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Students, we are going to start a new chapter. What is the chapter name? Yes, right, measurement of weight. And we were studying in chapter 9, measures of length. In that chapter, we were studying standard unit of length. What is the standard unit of length? Say all of you. Yes, right. That is kilometer. And smaller unit of length. What is the smaller unit of length? Yes, right. Centimeter. And 1000 meter is equal to. कितना है 1000 meter? Yes, right. 1 kilometer. And 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. This all those things we were studied in chapter 9. We are going to study in this chapter standard unit of weight. What is the standard unit of weight? What is the standard unit of weight is equal to. What is the standard unit of weight? Yes, right. That is kilogram. Or we can write like this, kg. Okay. Then what is the smaller unit of? What is the smaller unit of weight? Yes, right. That is gram. Then 1000 gram is equal to 1000 gram कितना? 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilogram. Sorry, 1 kilometer. ऐसे तो 1000 gram कितना होगा? 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. ऐसे तो 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Yes, right. 1 kilogram. Okay, this is my question. I say the 2000 gram कितना किलो होगा? बोलो. Yes, right. 2 kilogram. Understood? Okay. Here you can see exercise 10.1. Here our first question is multiple choice questions. Question number 1. The standard unit of weight is. What is the standard unit of weight? अभी हम पढ़ेंगे इधर. Just right now. क्या है? What is standard unit of weight? Yes, right. Kilogram. Okay, here second question is 48 kilogram minus 32 kilogram. Okay, what is the next question? Question number 2 is 48 kilogram minus 32 kilogram. 48 kilogram minus 32 kilogram. Let us do this. 48 minus 32. पहले 1 से कौन करना है? सबको मालूम है. 8 minus 2 is 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. 16 is equal to 16 kilogram. So you can see here B, option B, 16 kilogram. Okay. What is the next question? Question number 2. Find the sum of. Find the sum of means we have to do addition. हम addition करना है. Okay, let us do 2 questions and the remaining questions are homework. Okay, हमको question number first और question number 1 हम अभी कर देंगे और बाकी मैं होमवर्क दे दूंगा. करना है. करने के बाद मेरे को सेंड करना है पिक्चर्स. ओके. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फाइंड द सम ऑफ. इसमें क्वेश्चन 1 72 किलोग्राम एंड 82 किलोग्राम. 72 kilogram and 82 kilogram. Question number 2, find the sum of मतलब addition है इसमें. First question is 72 kilogram and 72 kilogram and 82 kilogram. इसके लिए हम एडिशन कर रहे हैं, ये दो नंबर्स एडिशन कर रहे हैं. सो राइट 82 plus 72. 2 plus 2 is 4. 8 plus 7 is 15. Is equal to 154 kilogram. 54 kilogram. Okay, next question is 12 kilogram, 52 kilogram and 120 kilogram. Question number 2 is, what is question number 2? Please read it. Question number 2 is 12 kilogram, 52 kilogram and 120 kilogram. 52 kilogram, 12 kilogram and 120 kilogram. So let us add this. First bigger number 120 plus 52 plus 12. First one follow. 0 plus 2 plus 2 is 4. Then 10 follow. 2 plus 5 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then next 1 we can write it here. So the answer is equal to 184 kilogram. The answer is 184 kilogram. So students, please do question number 3, 4, 5, 6. These 4 questions are homework. Please do this. Okay, do and send to me by WhatsApp. Okay, here question number 3 is find the difference between. इनका मतलब है find the difference between का मतलब है we have to do subtraction. Find the difference between इनका मतलब है we have to do subtraction करना है. The first question क्या है 78 किलोग्राम and 92 किलोग्राम. 78 किलोग्राम and 92 इनका डिफरेंस हम डिफरेंस का मतलब क्या है सब्ट्रैक्शन है. फाइंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 फाइंड द डिफरेंस between first question is 78 kilogram and 92 kilogram. 78 kilogram and 92 kilogram. So we have to do subtraction. We have to subtract 78 from 92. We have to subtract 78 from 92. Understood? So we have to write the bigger number first, that is 92, then minus 78. So first ones follow 2 minus 8, that you know हमको subtraction नहीं कर सकते. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 8. So क्या करना है, इधर से 1 भी लेना है. 12 minus 8 is 4, then 8 minus 7 is 14. So the answer is 14 kilogram. Okay, what is the next question? Question number 2, 120 kilogram and 250 6 or 256 kilogram. Next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is 120 kilogram and 120 kilogram and 256 kilogram. इसका मतलब है we have to subtract 120 from 256. So let us subtract or let us write the bigger number first. 256 minus 120. 6 minus 0 is 6. 5 minus 2 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 136 kilogram. 136 kilogram. So students, here you can see some questions. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6. These 4 questions are also homework. ये करना है, करने के बाद मेरे को सेंड करना है. Okay. Okay students. Students please do all homeworks. ये homework करने के बाद मेरे को सेंड कर दो by WhatsApp. Okay, I give you reply. Okay, let us wind up today's class. See you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.